Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install mysql-connector-python in Python on Mac. The first thing that we are going to do right now is to open a terminal. So I am going to press Command space to open Spotlight. Over here, we are going to write terminal, hit enter, and there you go. The terminal is open. Now let me show you the version of Python I am using. To check the version of Python, we are going to type the command python 3 space -- version. We hit enter and there you go. It displays the version of Python I am using, which is Python 3.13.5. And this also happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. Let's begin the installation now. The first thing that we are going to do is to create a Python project folder. I am going to create it on my desktop. You may choose to create it wherever you want. So I am going to use the cd command to get inside my desktop. Over here, I am going to use the mkdir command to create my Python project folder. I am going to name this folder as mysql_install. Hit enter and there you go. The folder is created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder mysql_install using the cd command like this. Let's hit enter and there you go. We are inside the mysql_install folder. Over here, we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. So let's create our virtual environment using the command python 3 -m -v and the name of the virtual environment. We are going to call it mysql_install_vnv. Let's hit enter. And if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. You can see no error. That means our virtual environment is successfully created. Let's test it out using ls space -l command as well. There you go. You can see mysql_install_vnv virtual environment appearing over here within this folder mysql_install. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment. To activate this virtual environment, we'll have to write source space the name of the virtual environment, which is mysql_install_vnv/bin/activate. Let's hit enter. And you can see the virtual environment has become active. Now we are going to install the mysql-connector-python library. When you want Python to talk to a MySQL database, you need a connector or a client library. The most commonly used one is mysql-connector-python, which you can install by this command pip install mysql-connector-python. Let's hit enter. And the installation has begun already. Let's see if it appears in the list of libraries installed in this virtual environment. And what's the command to check the list of libraries installed in a virtual environment? It's pip space list. And there you go. It appears. In fact, it is one of the only libraries installed in this virtual environment because we freshly created it, obviously. Now let's try to import it. If it gets imported successfully, that's another way to prove that we have successfully installed mysql-connector-python. To do that, we are going to start a Python prompt using python 3 command. And over here, we are going to write import mysql.connector. If this import is successful, you know what does it mean? And there you go. This proves that we have successfully installed mysql-connector-python in a virtual environment that we just created inside this folder mysql_install. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install mysql-connector-python in Python from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.